What is the wildest thing you've done?
Did you just call me selfish? I feel like you just called me selfish.
Yeah, I did. You are pretty self. I want to go on a solo trip. Only if the family leaves me alone and lets me do my work.
If you could go back and just do it all over again. मैं बड़ी होती गई और आप माँ बनती गई, घर पे भी स्क्रीन पे भी, पर आज माँ आपसे फिर मिलते हैं. I don't want to talk to Mama. Today I want to talk to Supriya. Mrs. Supriya Pathak Kapoor, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here. You're not my daughter.
No,
चलिए पूछिए.
I'm not. Actually, first question मेरा ये है कि सुप्रिया कौन है? I mean, not my mother, not dad's wife, not Indian actress, you know, top level amazing actor. No. Who is Supriya? Maybe 17 साल वाली सुप्रिया या उससे भी छोटी वाली सुप्रिया. सुप्रिया कौन है?
सुप्रिया 17 साल वाली तो बड़ी अजीब लड़की थी क्योंकि वो बहुत इंट्रोवर्टेड थी.
Really?
मैं कभी घर के बाहर नहीं आती थी. बहुत सहमी हुई थी. I used to be found most of the times in a small temple near my house. And my house had a lot of parties, but मैं उन parties का बिल्कुल हिस्सा नहीं थी. तो वो वाली सुप्रिया एक ऐसी सुप्रिया थी जो शायद बहुत डरी हुई कहीं ना कहीं.
मेरे लिए थोड़ा अनबिलीवेबल है क्योंकि आई थिंक आपको जो भी आज जानता है वो ये बिलीव नहीं कर पाएगा कि आप इंट्रोवर्टेड भी थे. क्योंकि आई मीन यू आर द मोस्ट एक्सट्रोवर्टेड पर्सन आई नो. मतलब कहीं पे भी जाके किसी के भी साथ आप घुल मिल जाते हो. बट वाओ दैट्स कूल यार.
I was. So slowly, I grew up.
I remember कि you have studied Bharatnatyam, you've done a degree in Bharatnatyam, and I remember कि एक बार even once I was born एक point आया था जहाँ पे you wanted to pursue it, but
Yeah.
like so that kind of a thing, you know, एक hobby जो आपकी थी जो अब आपसे kind of
हाँ,
छूट
that's
गई.
true.
क्यों?
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली हॉबी भरतनाट्यम डांसिंग नहीं थी उतनी जितनी कि भरतनाट्यम एज अ थीसिस थी, एज अ एकेडमिक स्टडीज, नॉट सो मच प्रैक्टिकल स्टडीज. तो मैं जब यंग थी
हाँ.
उस वक्त हमारा है ना एसएससी होता था, फिर वी हैड टू डू +2 एंड देन वी हैड टू डू कॉलेज. तो वो +2 का जो हिस्सा था वो मैंने नहीं किया. मैं सीधी कॉलेज चली गई थी. वो नहीं होने की वजह से मैं एजुकेशनली बहुत कुछ कर नहीं पाई. और ये एक चीज़ मेरे अंदर रह गई. मैं एमए नहीं कर पाई, मैं पीएचडी नहीं कर पाई, जो मुझे बहुत करने का मन था. That's something I want to still.
Okay. So I want to really know कि I mean what is Papa's like ahmiyat in your life as a life partner? How has he been? What is his impression that he has left or is a part of your life?
I think the biggest impression that he left on me as a person is the kind of human being he is. Also, according to me, he is one of the best actors we have in the country today.
No
So,
doubt.
yeah. I learned a lot about that, my profession from him, but as a person, I learned a lot. He brought a lot of stability in our lives. And
Okay.
he gave me actually three very precious things.
It's me, isn't it?
No, not really. Yeah, it's you. Sana, you, Ruhan, and Shahid. All three of you are my gems, and you are given to me by your father, which was a big thing that he did. And he really was a great support to me. As a life partner, मेरे हिसाब से उनके से better कोई life partner नहीं हो सकता. And I'm very fortunate for that.
Can I say, oh, so cute. But I also know when you guys were dating, he was very fond of your long hair and he used to love your long hair.
Wow.
And not just him, but all the audiences, all the people on the screen. I mean, you were famous for your hair. You know, you had beautiful long hair. How did you maintain it? Like, how did you take care of it?
मेरी बाल मेरी जान थे. मैं अपने बालों को बहुत, I used to really love them. I think everybody, the
Yeah.
hair is a very important fact for all women.
For me,
And
for
men,
sure.
Yeah. Actually, my mother took care of my hair. And she was very insistent on us oiling our hair every Saturday. She would make us sit down. We hated it, but she would do it. And I really thank her for that. Because वो उस वजह से शायद मेरे बाल आज भी, you know, I've been able to keep it. But there was a period in the middle, Sana, which I was very scared. और के बाल मेरे झड़ जाएंगे, बिकॉज एक टाइम पे ऐसा होता था कि बहुत बाल गिरते थे, और मैंने जाके लोगों को पूछा तो पता चला सीजनल होता है ये, तो थोड़ी सी राहत मिली उस चीज को सुन के।
I think the good thing was कि आप लोगों के टाइम पे there was so much more Ayurvedic stuff. I mean, you know, that you could use
could be
that.
I don't know about Ayurvedic stuff, but there was definitely more purity in the stuff that we got.
Yeah.
तो वो उसकी वजह से हमारे बाल अच्छे रहते थे।
I think now we have products which take the Ayurveda and take the science and combine it, and like Kesh King Cold, which kind of does that for
True.
us, you know,
I'm
so
sure.
we can
You're
use
lucky
it.
that way that
But
you
you
have
guys
that,
had
yeah.
to
जी हम
in a way
तो
do it.
एक्चुअली वो herbs यूज करते थे।
Actually ना
हाँ।
आप शिकाकाई and all use करते हैं, I remember. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ तो maybe you also tried it मेरे साथ। Like I remember शिकाकाई से एक बार आपने try, but शिकाकाई burns आँखों, मतलब my eyes have burned like crazy.
No, but I think it was, I don't think I could put it that much into you vis-a-vis that, but she was very, very strong about things.
But oiling of the hair, you have said कि how important it is, and I remember even like Kesh King Gold का जो oil है, I swear by, which I think is a great oil for hair growth. That also, that concept of putting it in that you need to oil your hair, it's important to take care of your hair, was definitely something I feel जो आपने
जी बिल्कुल, and I think my
Pass on
mother
किया है।
gave it to me. So
Yeah.
my long hair, good hair was all her hair.
And then now it's all short. You've cut it. Why?
No, I haven't. Look, they're pretty long.
Mama, this is not long hair. This is long hair. You have short hair. Why
If I
is
bring
your
it in
hair been
front,
cut?
even my hair will be
tell-
long.
Tell the truth. Why did you cut your hair, Mama?
I gave birth to a daughter. And that daughter of mine used to pull my hair as if there is no tomorrow. ऐसे बाल खींचती थी, मुझे ऐसे लगता था सारे वही ऐसे खींच के निकाल देगी मेरे सारे बाल।
Oh,
तो मैंने
God.
जाके बाल काट दिए।
And then मेरे पे मेरे चाइल्डहुड में रिवेंज लिया बाल काटने के कि मुझे my mom did not let me have long hair all my childhood क्योंकि it was like कि नहीं ये मैनेज
नहीं रिवेंज नहीं
रिवेंज लिया
नहीं I was not good at looking after your hair, so I said better keep them short. मेरा झंझट खत्म हो जाए।
But also like what I love is कि I can say this, you know, I can sit with you and I can be like आपने मेरे पे revenge लिया, and I think that's because we have this amazing relationship in a way, you know, you and me. Or I feel like what would be your advice to mothers and daughters कि how to maintain this friendliness in this relationship?
I think I personally feel that one, it sparks off by itself.
Hmm.
That's what happened with us. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है the effort that we both made to be honest with each other. I think जो भी हमारे बीच में जो भी प्रॉब्लम था, I could honestly tell you कि मुझे तुम्हारी ये बात नहीं अच्छी लगती, और तुम मुझे honestly बता सकती थी कि माँ I don't like this about you, and I could still take it. You know, and I think maybe criticizing you too much or something like that was all. I personally feel that we have this kind of a relationship where we could be honest to each other.
Yeah, that's true.
और मैंने कुछ भी अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में तुमसे छुपाया नहीं।
That's very true. Yes.
And तुमने कभी मुझे किसी भी बारे में कुछ भी कहने से हिचकिचाया नहीं। तो I think that is
हाँ, I think
the
आपने वो
basic
एक
thing.
comfort level create किया कि हम
हाँ.
like I could come and talk to you.
That's true. I
that's
think
it.
that is what is a relationship
Yeah.
between a mother and daughter which needs to be there.
But I mean, in today's time, इतने सारे youngsters, girls, couples, they don't want to have children. बच्चे नहीं करने. You know, there's actually a name for those kind of couples. Do you know the name? Guess, ma'am. Be Gen Z. Come on, guess.
What? There's a name for somebody who doesn't want to have children?
Yes, a couple that does not want to have children.
I don't want to have children. As simple as that.
No, Mama, who's someone who I don't want to have children? That's not.
I don't want to have children.
No.
So let's say I, D, W, and D.
Okay, no, stop.
Okay.
नहीं ये इतना complicated तो I think Gen Z भी नहीं सोच रहा है. It's called DINK.
Ah?
It's called DINK. DINK. Double income, no kids. So both the partners work
God.
and they both decide that they don't want to have children. So they just have double income to spend on themselves.
I'm so glad I'm not born. I don't ever want to be reborn because I can't. I don't think I'll ever understand this. My
Why not?
God. Wow. Fantastic. Dink.
So what are your thoughts on it?
If you want the human race to go ahead and survive, the dinks will have to reduce. Otherwise, there will not be any children.
No, I mean I think it's each to their own, right?
But I do feel that there is an experience that one should go through, which is having children. It's a beautiful experience. I would give anything to be able to have a child if I was young today, and it didn't. I don't think that thought would ever come into my head. Why? Because after having children, I don't remember a more beautiful moment in my life except for that moment when you were brought into my arms. I mean, I can't understand and I can't explain to you what pleasure that is.
If you were going to say, okay, on this journey of motherhood that you have taken, what is the things that you have learned? What is something that you have unlearned,
I think I've learned a lot.
Yeah.
More than unlearning anything, I've learned a lot from you, from your brothers. I value every moment now because of the three of you. And I really do, because I feel that you made me complete. I honestly feel that there was something incomplete in me. And it just so happened that being a mother made that complete. I'm not saying it's a great thing. I'm not saying, oh my God, wow, I become like motherhood. I don't want to glorify it like that, because as you said, each to its
Yeah.
one's own. But I do feel I learned how to think about somebody else first and put myself second. Otherwise, as a human being, you always have the tendency of, it's me, it's me, it's me.
Right.
It's only when you become a mother or you become a parent, do you realize that, no, something else is more important.
Do you feel that somewhere in that selflessness or in that motherhood, you lose a little bit of the woman that you are? मतलब इस पूरी जर्नी में कहीं ना कहीं जो औरत की आइडेंटिटी है, जो आप एक औरत हो, उसकी जो आइडेंटिटी है वो कहीं खो जाती है?
हो सकता है, मैं इसको मना नहीं करूंगी. I mean, you become another person, you become a mother,
Right.
as I said. वो जरूर होता है, पर मुझे लगता है जो गेन करते हैं आप, वो इससे बहुत ज्यादा होता है. तो इट्स, अगर तराजू में तोला जाए तो ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल हो जाती है चीजें. As a woman, you lose because you've got so many parts to play. कितनी चीजें आप करते हो, आप सिर्फ एक दायरे में नहीं रहते, और वो दायरा जब बढ़ता रहता है तो उसमें डेफिनेटली आप कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप को खो देते हो. आप अपने बारे में उतना नहीं सोच सकते हो. ये सब होता है, बट ये एक जर्नी है, ये जिंदगी है. आई थिंक वो नेचुरल है, होना भी चाहिए. नहीं
तो ऐसी कोई हॉबी है या ऐसा कुछ है जो शायद जो सुप्रिया बनते बनते मतलब आज जो सुप्रिया है, जो एक एक्टर है, जो एक मदर है, जो एक वाइफ है, वो बनते बनते कहीं आपसे कोई हॉबी है जो पीछे छूट गई, जो आज भी आप उसके बारे में सोचते हो कि लाइक काश मैंने उसको पीछे ना छोड़ा होता?
हाँ है. मैं लिखना चाहती थी
अच्छा.
और मैं शॉर्ट स्टोरीज लिखती थी जो काफी छूट गई मेरे से, क्योंकि बच्चों में, घर में, औरों के बारे में सोचने में इतना वक्त चला गया कि मेरे पास वक्त नहीं रहा वो करने का, जो मैं बहुत चाहती हूँ अभी फिर से उसको रिवाइव कर. ओनली फैमिली लीव्स मी अलोन एंड लेट्स मी डू माय वर्क and do my thing. Ah, yes, you all are responsible for my creative juices not coming out in writing.
This is like really unfair, Amma. Tell me a short story that you've worked on, you've written, or one of your favorites that even if you've just read like that.
Which I'm working on. But I had written it long back, which I thought was a very interesting concept. At that time, Bombay was a very small place. I'm a Mumbaikar, and I'm proud to be one. We, at that time, used to live in a place called Parsi Colony in Dadar,
Yeah.
Parsikan. There used to be small houses.
In the other part.
In Dadar,
Yeah.
Parsikan. About those three stories were the houses. And then these big buildings started coming up in that area. Or I started seeing it when you go towards town, there would be this one huge building that was there, and which I always found very difficult to take because I was more used to the shorter,
Right.
nicer, smaller buildings. So I wrote a short story about that. That there is a small little bungalow which is being covered by these big skyscrapers. We used to call that at that time the skyscrapers. And how that little bungalow feels very lost and has to survive all these big things that are coming. That was a little short story I've written.
It's actually quite symbolic of life also, na, in a way, if you think about
Yeah.
it. I mean, sometimes we feel so small with all the things that come into our life. People कहते हैं कि hair is a vanity. But hair is not a vanity. Hair is, I don't know, to me, I feel like it's your identity, it's your confidence. Whatever you do with it, you know,
Yeah,
it
yeah.
kind of shapes you.
absolutely, Yeah.
So, how did you deal with that kind of big problems?
I think majorly this is a thing which I think most women are worried about. Somehow the men don't seem to be worried about hair. Maybe they do.
I don't
I'm
know,
not
Mom. I
very.
think even men are
Have the
worried
same
about
worried. Okay.
hair
So,
loss and hair
yeah.
thinning. Even the younger generation. पहले में भी आप लोगों को age के साथ होता था. Like आपके case में you didn't have hair loss that much when you were younger. With age, with childbirth, but people like us, even because of the पानी की quality या just stress levels या जो भी कह लो,
True. And I
we
think
are
hair.
facing hair loss and these kind of problems, and we need
Yeah.
things to help us with that. Hair is not just a vanity.
No, it's not. It's a
It's your-
necessity.
It's a part of your identity.
Yeah. Having good hair is a thing to be really proud of.
Yeah, like a
and
good
yeah.
hair day makes your whole
Oh,
day
yeah.
go well. And a bad
That's
hair day,
true.
you can have the best things happening and your day is not going to go well.
I also feel that, it's the necessity of today's children to realize the importance of oiling one's hair. आजकल के बच्चे
Yeah.
शायद उससे भी हट गए हैं. Because they maybe don't have the time or they don't have the inclination, whatever it might be. But I feel please preserve your hair because it really is a necessity which should last you for a whole lifetime. And Kesh King Gold, I think, is a good option to really follow.
Yeah, absolutely. What is you've played so many moms on camera, all kinds of moms. Which is your favorite mom of you?
Hansa. She
Really?
doesn't do anything. She doesn't have to
Yeah.
look after the child. She doesn't have to do anything.
She's like had the child and done her duty.
Done her
Now it's
duty.
not a problem.
Now it's not it's not Hansa's problem.
She is like a pretty cool mom actually. She's teaching her daughter very nice things.
Yes.
Do what you want.
No. The daughter looks after everything that the mother requires. That's the best thing.
You have seen your nani, your dadi, you have seen ba, my ba, your mom, and now today your Sana's mom. So उनको देख के आपने क्या उनसे सीखा है या कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो शायद बा करती थी जो आपको लगता था कि ये तो जब मेरे बच्चे होंगे मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करूंगी, और कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो शायद जब वो करती थी आपको लगता था हाँ उनसे लेके मुझे पास ऑन किया है, पार्ट ऑफ माई लेगेसी.
एक चीज जो मैंने सोचा था कि मैं कभी नहीं करूंगी, पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैंने वही की.
क्या?
मैं हमेशा मेरी माँ से बहुत नाराज रहती थी कि वो है ना, मैं कहीं जाने वाली हूँ किसी दोस्त को मिलने या किसी फ्रेंड के घर पे, तो मैं पहुंचूं उससे पहले फ्रेंड के ही घर पे फोन करके उनकी मदर से पूछती थी कि भाई पहुंच गई क्या मेरी बेटी. और मैं ये करना नहीं चाहती थी और मैंने किया. तेरे साथ मैंने जरूर किया. और मैंने ये सोचा था कि मैं कभी अपने बच्चों के बारे में इतनी वरिड नहीं रहूंगी, मैं कभी ऐसे नहीं एंजाइटी कॉन्स्टेंटली नहीं दिखाऊंगी. पर शायद ये हो नहीं पाया मुझसे, पर मैं कोशिश कर रही थी. डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग, आई वाज ट्राइंग.
No, I am very happy that आप okay ठीक है, कभी कभी annoying हो जाता है बार बार कॉल आना, लेकिन I think it's still really I'm lucky with God's grace के I get a call. It's really nice to have somebody out there that is concerned about you. But so what is the thing that you did want to do like ba? कि हाँ ये जो
Which I wanted to pass on to you.
yeah, which you wanted to pass on to me,
Which I did.
which you have passed on. What is it? What is it?
The love for books.
Oh my God, yes. That's true. We are third generational
Yeah.
book girlies.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
really
absolutely.
true.
I mean, my mother was very, very fond of reading, and she really inculcated that in us.
Right.
And I think I took it forward and put it into you.
Yes.
My mother used to always say, that the book is your best friend.
Hmm.
Like hair is your best friend. She used to say that too.
Yeah. Okay, now let's get to like some more fun questions, Mama.
Oh my God.
I want to know.
Was this unfun?
No, this is all fun. You're always fun. What is the wildest thing you've done?
What is the wildest thing I've done?
Yeah. Mama, come on, yaar. कुछ तो किया होगा ना?
हाँ, बहुत सी चीजें बहुत wild की है
Well,
मैंने.
like
So I fell in love with your father.
that's
on
the
a-
wildest thing. You fell in love with a man and married him. It's very wild actually. आज की generation के हिसाब से it is the wildest thing you have done. You have stayed 38 years
In
with the
wa-
same
yes.
man. That's wild.
Anyway,
Nah.
the wildest thing I did was when I fell in love with your father. We were shooting on a film. And that time, I had packed up. My work was over for the film.
Okay.
But I wanted to be with him.
Okay.
So I went and told my director, I'm not going back. I'm staying on. And he was like, in those days, it was not normal to do something like that, Sana. You can't stay on a set.
Why? But it's your film ka set.
No, but you can't. You have to. This is the date that have been given, and you have to go back home.
Your wildest thing is you stayed on a set, your set, for 2 extra days. Oh, mama, you are a lot of things, but wild is not one of those things. Okay, I'm going to give you a little bit of a googly. Okay? Like if you could do like an undo button, you know, if you could go back and just do it all over again. आप choose कर सकते हो कौन से point पे आप ये undo button use करना चाहोगे.
ये बहुत बहुत डाइसी क्वेश्चन है यार.
Googly.
मेरे पास मतलब आई हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स आई वांट टू से, बट फिर तुम घर जाके मुझे मारोगी.
नहीं, नहीं.
मुझे पता-
अरे, you're not my mama right now.
Oh yes, yes.
You're
I'm not
Supriya
your-
Pathak.
Oh yeah, I'm Supriya Pathak.
Yeah, you can say
हाँ.
anything.
So if I had an undo button,
Hmm.
only thing I would undo is losing my father at a very young age. I would want him to have been around, for him to have guided me, and for him to have maybe seen what I have become. Because when I was a child, I want to just say this, I don't know whether it's the right thing to say or not, but nobody ever thought I would do anything in life. Everybody in my family thought कि भाई ये बस इसकी शादी हो जाए किसी तरह से. ऐसा एक you know, that was the aura that I created around me. So that was what. So I did feel that that's an undo button. That I wish he would have seen that. No, I did manage something. in life.
Manage? You have flourished. You are at the top of the game. I don't think anybody can do what you've done. You do everything. You are the best mother, the best wife. You take care of the house. You're a fantastic actor. Look at your entire range of career. It's amazing. सब कहते हैं कि
She's just being nice, darlings. It's not true. Okay.
No, I mean, I am nice. I'm just nice. But that's not, I'm being honest. But you know what I feel is like people say being a mother is a selfless job. But do you feel that sometimes you should be a little selfish as a woman so that you can be, you're more happy?
Yeah,
You know?
definitely. I wish I was more selfish. And I today want to be more selfish. Really, honestly,
Okay.
I do want to be more selfish. I want to think only for myself. I don't want to put the whole world before me. And I want to think just what I want to do. And that is a point where I have reached now in my life, where I say, okay, I want to do this. There are times when I want to go, which I'm still working on. I haven't been able to do it. But I want to go on a solo trip.
Oh.
I want to take a backpack and move on.
Oh.
Yeah. A little more comfortable backpack.
Yeah, luxury bag.
Yeah, like let's get into the upper bracket too. But yes, I want to do this for myself and not for anybody else. So there is definitely a part of me which thinks that being selfless was not a very great thing to do. You know, I mean, I wish I had been more selfish even in the times when I was younger and I was bringing up the house and the children. It's not wrong to think for yourself.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and I do feel that my generation of people did think a little more for others than for the family and children and things like that than we thought for ourselves. And today, I think the girls of today are very good. All of you are superb in how you are handling your lives.
Did you just call me selfish? I feel like you just called me selfish.
Yeah, I did. You are pretty selfish.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Whether you
is
like it or not,
mean.
you put yourself.
Why does it mean?
You're a sweet girl, but you put yourself before you put others, which is a good thing. That's what I'm trying to say out here.
Yeah,
because
maybe.
That's important.
I mean, I think self-care is important to be able to
Yes.
take care of other
Yes.
people. You need to be able to take care of yourself.
True, absolutely.
makes
I
sense.
agree.
Solo trip, where are you going to go? We're going to take it. So where are you going to go?
I think Greece.
Greece.
I just might take Greece as a solo trip.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I love the houses there. So I'll go and stay in a house. No. I know where I'll go.
Where?
I will go to the countryside of England because I am a great, great, great fan of Agatha Christie.
That you are, yeah.
And I love Miss Marple, who stays in this little quaint village. And I really always have wished that I can go and stay in this little quaint village and maybe write.
That's true. You did say one of the things you have
Yes.
stopped doing is writing. So that's nice. Everybody knows that Hansa and Praful are one of this ideal married couple, you know, kind of vibe. And I have grown up seeing you and dad, and I've seen how beautiful a couple you are and how, in my eyes, ideal you guys are as a couple. I'm not saying perfect because perfect to koi nahi hota. Sabke apne journey hoti hai. But do you think that there is a part of you that got lost in the marriage? Woman got lost in your marriage? Do you ever feel that?
Yeah,
Yeah?
sometimes. I don't think our generation really thought so much about it.
Okay.
And we really went with the flow. You know, we went with the flow because marriage is not a very easy thing. Marriage is a process of hard work, and from both sides.
Hmm.
I don't think it's a single man's journey at all. And I think everybody is very aware of that. And our generation was the kind of generation where we really put in that effort, and we wanted to put in that effort. So that is, so I wouldn't say I lost a woman, but I sometimes feel I've gained more maturity
Okay.
and more understanding of life because I put in that work into trying to make a marriage work.
Nice.
Yeah.
But mom, I mean, I completely agree with everything you're saying. But you have put yourself last. Matlab, you were always taking care of everything else, not taking care of yourself, ignoring yourself. And I feel like, don't you think that looking at you, I would also learn that? And do you want me to learn that? Do you want me to put myself last?
No,
No.
I don't want you to put
Exactly.
yourself last. I want you to put yourself first, but I also feel that everybody has to walk hand in hand. No, it has to be a journey together. Whether it's and I'm not talking about a husband, wife, or I'm talking about a family.
Right.
You know, a family, it's a process of working together, moving together. So I'm not saying you should put them first or put yourself first. Work together with everybody. I think that's a nice way of going about it, and that's the very positive way of going about it.
It's been
Yeah.
great though talking to you. It's like I am getting to know you a little bit more as Supriya Pathak Kapoor and not just Mama. So that is nice that I get to see Supriya more. It's like talking to a friend more than talking to a mom. But आपके साथ is always ऐसे जैसे मैं अपने
That's
friend से ही
true.
बात कर रही हूँ. It's like, and I think that, like I said, you have to take care of yourself. So mom, इस Mother's Day, just like you taught me to take care of myself, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने लिए भी वही करो. So I don't want the old you to stay in the past. इसलिए मैं एक छोटा सा गिफ्ट लेके आई हूँ आपके लिए. केश किंग गोल्ड, ताकि आप फिर से आप बन सको. I love you, mom. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Vicha.
Oh, are you gonna hold
So
it? Did you-
pretty. Yeah.
Do you like the hamper, mom?
It's such a pretty little hamper.
Our Kesh King has now become Kesh King Gold, which is the goodness of Ayurveda and science mixed together now.
Wow.
It has oils, it has serums, it has shampoos, and it's all for your hair.
Lovely.
So now it's time कि you have to take care of yourself.
Yes. Thank you so
है ना?
much, my bacha.
I love you, Mama.
I love you.
Happy
too.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers.
Yes, happy Mother's Day to all mothers and to my mother, the best mother.